ស្រីថាកុំត្រូវវិញជាមួយវីដេអូថ្មីទៅខ្ញុំថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំជាមួយនឹងគ្នាតងទៅជាមួយនឹងការបោកលុយដ៏ច្រើនមួយនៅក្នុង web series នៅក្នុងប្រទេសជិតខាងយើងនៅប្រទេសថៃនឹងឯងមានការបោកលុយរហូតដល់ទៅ$100 លានហើយអត្ថបទមួយនេះគឺចេញដោយ Scam Murai បាទគាត់បាន target ឲ្យតែតទៅនឹងការ scam ការបោកប្រាយហ្នឹងគឺគាត់នឹងមកសរុបសរសេរយើងហើយបាទហើយខ្ញុំគិតថាវាជា case study មួយល្អករណីសិក្សាមួយល្អដែលអ្នកគ្នាគួរតែដឹងល្អសម្រាប់ជាពិសេសហ្មងតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយនឹងអ្នកវិនិយោគធំបាទអ្នកវិនិយោគធំដែលគាត់មានលុយបាទរាប់$10,000បាទខ្ទង់លាន$ហើយគាត់វិនិយោគទៅជាមួយគម្រោង Web 3បាទជាយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទបុគ្គលមួយនេះគឺមិនមែនជាបុគ្គលធម្មតាទេជាបុគ្គលដែលល្បាញល្បីតែម្ដងបាទគាត់ធ្វើការឲ្យធនាគារធំមួយនៅប្រទេសថៃបាទគាត់ធ្វើការធនាគារធំមួយខ្ញុំបញ្ជាក់ដែរមួយបាទនៅក្នុងប្រទេសថៃគឺមានធនាគារមួយចំនួនគឺគាត់លុកដៃចូលទៅក្នុង Web 3ហើយគាត់បង្កើតក្រុមហ៊ុនមួយផ្សេងទៀតបាទបង្កើតក្រុមហ៊ុនមួយផ្សេងទៀតរបស់ធនាគារហ្នឹងដែលវិនិយោគទៅលើគម្រោងWeb 3ឬក៏គម្រោង cryptocurrency នឹងឯងបាទគាត់មានក្រុមហ៊ុនផ្សេងទៀតបាទអញ្ចឹងធនាគាររបស់គាត់គឺមានធនាគារធម្មតាឬក៏យើងហៅថា traditional finance ដែលយើងមើលនៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងហើយមានមួយទៀតក្រុមហ៊ុនតូចគឺតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយ Web 3តាក់ទងទៅជាមួយ blockchain នឹងឯងហើយគាត់នេះធ្វើការបាទនៅក្នុង Web 3មួយរបស់ធនាគារប្រទេសថៃគាត់បានទៅចូលរួមកម្មវិធីបាទ FinTech នៅសិង្ហបុរីកាលពីចុងឆ្នាំ2024បាទគាត់មានឈ្មោះថា Campanat វិបុលណុតបាទឈ្មោះគាត់អញ្ចឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងគាត់មើលទៅអ្នកគ្នាមើលបាទគួរឲ្យជឿទុកចិត្តមែនទែនជាបុគ្គលដែលមានមុខមាត់បាទស្រស់សង្ហាបាទប្រកែកជាតារាចម្រៀងផងដែរហើយគាត់ពាក់អាវធំចូលរួមក្រោមឈ្មោះរបស់ធនាគារដែលល្បាញល្បីនៅស្រុកថៃបាទអញ្ចឹង helping to bring institutional investment to company បាទ working in emerging technology អញ្ចឹងគាត់ជួយឲ្យមានការវិនិយោគរបៀបស្ថាប័នទៅក្រុមហ៊ុនដទៃផ្សេងទៀតដែលធ្វើការនៅក្នុងពួក Web 3ហ្នឹងឯងបាទ known to a friend and colleague ណាគាត់ឈ្មោះកាត់របស់គាត់ឈ្មោះចំហ្នឹងឈ្មោះចំបាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់វា black t-shirt បាទអានេះគាត់ប្រាប់ apparent របស់គាត់នៅពេលដែលគាត់ជួបប្រជុំនៅក្នុងសិង្ហបុរីតែប៉ុណ្ណោះបាទទៅក្នុងកន្លែងនេះបាទគាត់ has the kid long គាត់មាន experience advice startup ណាជា advisor របស់ startup បាទចូលរួមនៅក្នុង Government Tech Advisory Committee បាទគាត់គឺជាទីប្រឹក្សាមួយនៅក្នុងជួររដ្ឋាភិបាលផងដែរបាទ supporting joint venture បាទគាត់មានការ support joint venture មានថាគឺជាការវិនិយោគពី investor បាទអ្នកវិនិយោគធម្មតា invest ទៅលើ startup អីមួយអញ្ចឹងអ្នកគ្នាអាចទៅមើល venture របស់គាត់ឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជាបាទធនាគារ A មួយទៅអញ្ចឹងគាត់មាន venture មួយគឺ venture ហ្នឹងគឺគាត់មានលុយដើម្បីទៅវិនិយោគទៅលើ startup វិនិយោគទៅលើគម្រោង web 3អីជាដើមបាទ helping company expand internationally បាទគាត់ជួយឲ្យក្រុមហ៊ុនរបស់គាត់រីកចម្រើនដល់អន្តរជាតិ sound like fantastic track record បាទវាស្ដាប់ទៅគឺគាត់មានប្រវត្តិរូបអស្ចារ្យមែនទែនណាឈ្មោះគាត់ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងចំហ្នឹងបាទវា smile with a master degree មាន master degree ទៀត in investment analysis តើតើនឹងការវិភាគការវិនិយោគពីសាកលវិទ្យាល័យមួយនៅក្នុង UK បាទจากពិភពអង់គ្លេសបាទហើយមានការចាប់អារម្មណ៍ទៅលើ cryptocurrency ហើយសប្តាហ៍នេះគឺគាត់ធ្វើការនៅក្នុងfor fun KHVC បាទឈ្មោះថា KHVC បាទនឹងមានន័យថាគាត់មិនមែនធ្វើការតែមួយកន្លែងទេបាទអា KHVC របស់គាត់ហ្នឹងគឺជាបាទកន្លែងទី4ហើយ fund ទី4របស់គាត់បាទដែលមានការប្រកាសកាលពីឆ្នាំមុនបាទ it was a 100 web 3 and AI fund under កសិករ band បាទវាគឺជា fund មួយបាទជារញ្ចប់លុយមួយបាទចំនួន$100 លាននៅក្នុង web 3ដែលគាត់វិនិយោគទៅលើ web 3ហើយជាមួយនឹង AI ណា$100 លានពីធនាគារកសិករអ្នកណាកសិករហ្នឹងដែលនៅក្រោមធនាគារកសិករហ្នឹងគាត់មានលុយដល់ទៅ$100 លានបាទដើម្បីវិនិយោគទៅលើ web 3ហើយជាមួយនឹង AI បាទអូខេយើងនិយាយអាកសិករនេះគឺជាធនាគារធំមួយរបស់ថៃផងដែរបាទហ្នឹងហើយtoo many he seem like a typical insider បាទគាត់ស្ដាប់ទៅគឺជាបុគ្គលមានប្រវត្តិរូបល្អមាន partner មានដៃគូច្រើនអញ្ចឹងស្ដាប់ទៅហាក់ដូចជាគាត់ជាបុគ្គលដែលដឹងរឿងច្រើនបាទដឹងរឿងផ្ទៃក្នុងច្រើនខ្ញុំនិយាយរឿងមួយទាក់ទងនឹងគម្រោង cryptocurrency នៅពេលដែលបាទ private investor នឹងភាគច្រើនគាត់គឺជាអ្នកនៅវិនិយោគធំបាទដូចជាគម្រោងខ្ញុំលើកឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជាគម្រោង Monet មួយចំនួនគម្រោង Monet ឬក៏គម្រោងអីគេទៀតបាទគម្រោង Monet គម្រោងស៊ុយអីជាដើមអញ្ចឹងគាត់មានបាទ private investor ហ្នឹងគឺជាអ្នកវិនិយោគដំបូងដែលបាទក្រុមហ៊ុន cryptocurrency ដូចជា Monet ឬក៏ស៊ុយហ្នឹងគាត់ផ្ដល់ឱកាសឲ្យក្រុមហ៊ុនទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺដាក់លុយចូលបាទដាក់លុយចូលទិញកាក់ នៅក្នុងគម្រោងខ្លួននៅក្នុងតម្លៃថោកមែនតែនបាទនៅក្នុងតម្លៃ early បាទ early stage ហ្នឹងគឺតម្លៃថោកមែនតែនបាទអញ្ចឹងគេគិតថាចอมនេះគាត់ដឹងច្រើនបាទដឹងរឿងច្រើនរឿងទាំងអស់នឹងច្រើនហើយគាត់មាន fund គាត់មានដៃគូមាន partner ច្រើនគាត់មានលុយបាទអញ្ចឹងគាត់ប្រកាសជាបានគាត់ប្រកាសជាដឹងហើយថាតើគម្រោងណាខ្លះដែលមានការលក់កាក់ដំបូងហើយបុគ្គលយើងអ្នកធម្មតានេះយើងអត់អាចមានសិទ្ធិទិញនៅក្នុងកាក់ early stage ហ្នឹងទេបាទភាគច្រើនគឺជាស្ថាប័នទេដែលគាត់មានលុយទៅវិនិយោគនៅក្នុងគម្រោង early stage ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងគេជឿទុកចិត្តថាចอมនេះគាត់ដឹងរឿងច្រើនអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាឲ្យលុយចอมទៅបាទចอมហ្នឹងគាត់ប្រកាសជាអាចទៅទិញកាក់នៅក្នុង early stage បានហើយនៅពេលដែលកាក់មួយហ្នឹងគឺលក់បាទនៅពេលដែល monet ឬអីហ្នឹងមានការ public មានការបង្កើតកាក់ហើយលក់នៅក្នុងទីផ្សារអញ្ចឹងយើងជាអ្នក invest វិនិយោគ early stage នេះយើងអាចបានកម្រៃច្រើនអញ្ចឹងអ្នកផ្សេងៗគឺគាត់គិតអញ្ចឹងពីព្រោះជាប់នឹងមានប្រវត្តិល្អហើយធ្វើការនៅក្នុង fund ធំរបស់ស្រុកថៃផងដែរបាទអូខេអញ្ចឹង token deal វាមកដល់កន្លែងនេះ token deal នេះគឺមានការជជែកស៊ីស៊ូគ្នាដើម្បីឲ្យលុយទៅចอมហ្នឹងហើយចอมហ្នឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមបោកហើយណាអូខេ in the opaque world of early stage crypto investing access is everything បាទ before token launch publicly project often sell private allocation បាទនេះខ្ញុំនិយាយហើយបាទហ្នឹងហើយ Inspire Crypto about democratic transparency the most ចឹងកន្លែងនេះក៏ខ្ញុំបាន add up ខ្លះៗបាទចឹង they move through private Telegram chat WhatsApp group បាទ investor network បាទ asset tend to cluster around venture fund បាទ founder social media influencer and those who sit at the center of the ecosystem បាទចឹងចอมហ្នឹងគឺ it seems គាត់គឺជាបុគ្គលមួយរូបដែលមាន privilege ដែលមានសិទ្ធិខ្ពស់មួយផងដែរបាទដោយសារតែគាត់មាន fund ច្រើនបាទ according to the multiple people Scam Murai spoke with he offer friend and associate access to what he described as personal allocation in sought after project ចឹងត្រង់កន្លែងនេះដោយ Scam Murai គាត់បានទៅសម្ភាសបុគ្គលមួយចំនួនដែលមានការបោកហ្នឹងហើយចឹងចอมនេះ offer បាទទៅស៊ីស៊ូមិត្តភ័ក្តិគាត់ហើយជាមួយនឹងសមាគមអីផ្សេងៗបាទដើម្បី personal allocation តើតង personal allocation អញ្ចឹងយូរទៅមានស្ថាប័នដែលគាត់អាចវិនិយោគបានក៏ប៉ុន្តែឥឡូវនេះចอมចាប់ដើមទៅស៊ីស៊ូអ្នកផ្សេងហើយបាទ personal investor ហ្នឹងបាទតើតងនឹងអ្នកវិនិយោគធម្មតាដូចខ្ញុំវិញទៅខ្ញុំថាអូចอมហ្នឹងគាត់ដឹងរឿងច្រើននៅក្នុងអញ្ចឹងគាត់មានឱកាសទៅទិញអាកាក់នៅក្នុង early stage ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំដាក់លុយទៅគាត់ណាអញ្ចឹងគាត់ទៅប្រមូលមិត្តភ័ក្តិគាត់បាទអ្នកផ្សេងបាទនៅក្នុងឧស្សាហកម្មហ្នឹងpersonal allocation អញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំចង់បានកាក់ផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនបាទខ្ញុំអត់ចង់ទៅទិញនៅក្នុងនាមជាស្ថាប័នឯមួយទេហើយនៅក្នុង early stage ខ្ញុំចង់ទិញផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនតែម្ដងបាទត្រង់កន្លែងនេះខ្ញុំនិយាយនៅស្រុកខ្មែរយើងមានគ្នាយើងគាត់សួរច្រើនមែនទែនដោយសារតែយើងបើកនៅក្នុងtoken unlock ឬក៏ crypto rank អីហ្នឹងយើងឃើញថាកាក់មួយនេះមានការលក់នៅក្នុង early stage ហ្នឹងគឺក្នុងតម្លៃថោកមែនទែន $0.001 ដុល្លារអីហ្នឹងហើយគ្នាយើងគាត់សួរខ្ញុំជុំបងearly stage ហ្នឹងទិញរបៀបមិនទៅពីព្រោះនៅពេលដែលវាលក់គឺលក់ $0.1 ដុល្លារបាត់ហើយហ្នឹងហើយមិនបាន early stage 0.001 បាទearly stage ហ្នឹងគឺគេលក់របៀបនេះគេហៅ private បាទ private allocation ហ្នឹងឯងបាទ private allocation ហ្នឹងឯងហើយបើអ្នកដែលគាត់បានទិញនៅក្នុង early stage គឺបានទូថ្លៃមែនទែនតម្លៃកាក់ហ្នឹងទូថ្លៃមែនទែនបាទនេះគឺជាមូលហេតុដែលអ្នកផ្សេងៗគាត់ឲ្យតែដឹងថាបុគ្គលនេះអាចទិញកាក់នៅក្នុង early stage ឲ្យយើងបានយើងអាចទៅដាក់លុយឲ្យគាត់ណាអានេះយើងស៊ីស៊ូនៅខាងក្រោយណាហ្នឹងហើយស៊ីស៊ូនៅខាងក្រោយអញ្ចឹងចំគាត់ធ្វើអញ្ចឹងគាត់ការពិតទៅគាត់អត់មាន privacy អីនៅក្នុងការទិញ early stage ទេក៏ប៉ុន្តែគាត់ទៅបោកមិត្តភ័ក្តិគាត់បាទបោកក្រុមហ៊ុនផ្សេងៗរបស់គេដើម្បីឲ្យបាទលុយទៅចំហ្នឹងហើយចំហ្នឹងថាចាំគាត់ទៅទិញកាក់នៅក្នុង early stage ឲ្យបាទហើយកាក់ទាំងអស់នេះគឺមានដូចជា Monet Babylon បាទ Linera ជាដើមបាទហ្នឹងសឹងតែកាក់ដែលចំគាត់ថាអូខេឲ្យលុយមកគាត់ទៅទិញកាក់នឹងឲ្យនៅក្នុង early stage បាទហើយអ្នកដែលគាត់វិនិយោគនឹងបានជា allocation ជា personal Okay, in some case, the company overlap with the firm KYC has public back, reinforcing the impression he was operating within a regional abuse, one that opened him up to a accusation of inside trader បាទហ្នឹងហើយអានេះនិយាយតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយ inside trading អីទេបាទ Mark an executive at a regional payment company based in Bangkok first បាទជួបអញ្ចឹងនិយាយករណី Mark នេះគាត់ជួបចំហ្នឹងនៅឆ្នាំ2017បាទ when Level Journey Analysis កាលពីពេលហ្នឹងគឺចំគាត់ទៅជា junior អ្នកវិភាគធម្មតាបាទក្មេងទេបាទ at a local adventure he remember him as a polite and eager he was a very nice person បាទ Mark និយាយថាគាត់គឺជា จอมได้บกนั่งไงจีบคนมวยอ๋อเต้บ่ะนั่งไง they stay in touch over the year บ่ะแต่ชาติตรงนี้เจอนิดบ่ะ investors came right in interview including Mark asked to use fearless นั่งไงอันนี้กดมานั่งก่อนในเจียชั่วโมงนี้หมดได้บ่ะนั่งไง speaking out from player that he had recent because of all the concern บ่ะนั่งไงโอเคอันนี้ยมสรุปคลาสมาบ่ะเจอยมสรุปเอาเนี่ยเคยบ้านดังเจ้าบ่ะแต่ตัวหนึ่งจอมนี้กอดเตอร์วินยกกอดท่าเนี่ยเอาเลยกอดมาวินยกเลยกะโมเนตบาบิลอนลินรานี่เตอร์บ่ะเฮ้ยเนี่ยไปได้กอดวินยกเฮ้ยดอลเป้ได้กะโมเนตกอดบักพับลิกบ่ะบักทีจีอีบ่ะเนี่ยเคยบ้านเคยกะโมเนตสัปดาห์นี้เนี่ยเคยไอ้เต็งดูบ้านเลยเนี่ยไปได้บักเพลียบ่ะเนี่ยได้กอดวินยกอัดบ้านอัดตัวบ้านกะโมเนตนี่เต้เนี่ยได้กอดวินยกในขนมจมูกจอมเนี่ยอัดตัวบ้านเต้เฮ้ยจอมกอดมาใหญ่เอกชูบ่ะกอดใหญ่ปรับกอดเบาเก๋ให้กอดใหญ่ปรับเนี่ยได้ตะวันเบาทางกะโมเนตนี่คือวีบางกับเปิดแมนบาง TGE กับเปิดแมนก็เป็นแต่สำหรับบ่ early stage investor หรือกับ private investor คืออัดตอนตัวบ้านกะเต้วีมีการ lock period บ่ lock period นั่งมีในทางเดี๋ยวไปแบบเพลียม private investor นั่งกดอัดตอนบ้านกะนั่งเต้คือมีระยะเป็นของการ lock กะนั่งสันรถดอเป็น lock กะนั่งหาคือมีการ vesting บ่ vesting นี่มีการการพิจในการใจกะคือเหมือนบ้านเพลียมแต่งอ้อม100%เต้นะจึงวีล็อกบ่ะวีล็อกเพอร์เรียดหนึ่งสันกว่าบานกะเต้โรดออลเวสติ้งไทม์ไลน์เกนั้นคือมีการเอาบ่ะเราชีพ100บ่ะมาขายบานมัน100หรืออะไรได้บ่ะตามหนึ่งเฮ้ยบ่ะจอมนี่พองไหนคือกดฉลาดบ่ะกดฉลาดไหมกดตะเบาอินเวสเตอร์แต่กะหน้าได้มีการล็อกเพอร์เรียดเวิร์นมาโดยเฉพาะโมเนตบาบิลอนลีไรจะได้มีการล็อกเพอร์เรียดสำหรับ private investor จังกดโยปิดนึงมาอ่างบ่ะโยปิดนึงมาอ่างเฮ้ยโมเนตนี่เจนมวยบ่ะบอกอันมวยเฮ้ยเดี๋ยวไปบอกอันมวยเฮ้ยเนี่ยวิดีโอก็ได้โอเคเด็ดโอเคไปรู้เนี่ยวิดีโอก็ดังไงการล็อกเพอร์เรียดสำหรับ private investor ก็ดังไรนั่งจังกดโอเคไปเลยเอาจอมนั่งไอบอกบานต่อติดบ่ะจอมไอบอกบานต่อติดบอกตัวเลือกกับบาบิลอนหรือก็ลีไรจะได้มันต่อติดเฮ้ยกลุ่มลงเป็นนั่นคือกลุ่มลงเป็นล็อกเพอร์เรียดหนึ่งไอแต่เนี่ยตระบานเก็บเบ้าอัดดังหนักคนไอ้ตระบานเก็บเบ้าตีแต่มีล็อกเพอร์เรียดนึงเวิร์นจึงบอกมูลเน็ตมวยให้บอกเบลลอนมาที่ไทยให้บอกลินราไอ้มวยที่แบบบอกบันจรันกุมโรเหมือนเดิมบากะบอกนั่นคือมีตัวผมเราเติม100 เหรียญละเดี๋ยวต้องกะบอกนั่นให้กะบอกคือเดี๋ยวตอนกาวิยกตัวเลย private investor หนึ่งไงแบบ Scamright is aware of at least 2,000 individuals that have had similar experience แบบจำนวนหนึ่งจอม total amount loss isn't clear and rank people individually investing with him invite between just shy of มาพาย20,000 tới 10 liền吧over $1 million 吧นั่นไงชอนจะ1 million ละ another Bangkok backed investor who formerly worked with Jom said บรรจัยท่ากอดตระบาน invite โจในโครง private blockchain investment พองได้ป่ะนั่นไงคือมีจะได้เหมือนเต้นมาตรงไหนนี้ he used the credibility derived from his work position กอดปลาย position โดยมันจะยังกอดเพื่อการในโครงที่ไอ้ใบเสียเจียฟันมวยบอกกสิกรแบ่งนั้นธนาคารกสิกรนั้นนำไปมาเบาบ่ะโยดมในพอคล้วนโอเคให้จับตรงไหนนั่งยังบ้านเรียนไอ้เกี่ยครับเดี๋ยวตรงเตยจุ่มมือกับเบาไม่นี่แบบเดี๋ยวตรงกับเบานี่คือเนี่ยคือดังตีมวยใจมาดองกลมเอาโยมุกมวดบุกโกลมวยแต่มีโพสิชันล้อแบบมีเกจมัวบางใบหายเนี่ยเคยเจอกอดป่ะเจอ700เนี่ยเคยอัดมือเครดิตปี100พอกอดนะเนี่ยเคยแต่วินิโยกไอ้นั่งแบบอันนี้ตัวใบเนี่ยเคยมือเครดิตพอกอดก่อนเนี่ยเคยเนี่ยเครดิตพอกอดล้อเหมือนกันดอบเลยดอบแต่มาดองมีเกจมัวล้อบางใบปากกายป่ะถั่วกาในขนมไอ้เกี่ยวกับกราวเบตเต้พองป่ะตัวเรียนในกราวเบตเต้พองป่ะฮะอัดมินไอจีเรดเฟลกเลยอัดมินไอจีตรงกระหอมแต่อัดยังอัดชื่อจะกอดเลยเจอเรื่องเตะต้องลอยเนี่ยคือตระดังไหลนั้นจ้องใหญ่มวยป่ะเนี่ยวินยุกแต่กอดจันเบาเนี่ยกอดอัดดังคนเบาจันเบาติดโหดดอลป่ะโหดดอลตัวชาติสู้กลุ่มโรโมเน็ตคนไอ้ตัวป่ะกอดยี่ห้อกอดสกอร์กลุ่มโรโมเน็ตมีน private investor อยู่แล้วจังเนี่ยตระบันกับเบาอัดดังเลยเจ้าแต่อัดบ้านกะอยู่ๆตัวชาติตัวตัวจมูกหนึ่งกลุ่มโรโมเน็ตป่ะกลุ่มโรโมเน็ตสู้แต่ตาสกอร์ชั่วโมงนี้อัดป่ะสกอร์มุกนี่อัดพี่ปลุกมุกมันเนี่ยบานอ้างทากอดนั้นเชียเนี่ยได้มีโอกาสของการติง early stage อยู่ได้มาสกอร์ชั่วโมงนึงอัดจมลายจริงมั้ยคืออัดสกอร์อัดมีครูนัสสกอร์เตะป่ะมีครูคริปโตนัสสกอร์กอดเตะป่ะเราโหดเถื่อเอาเนี่ยมียกดังตึบดังนักลงไอ้นั่งจังเบาเกป่ะโอเคไฮวิดโอนี่คือ មកឲ្យអ្នកគេដឹងប៉ុណ្ណឹងតាក់ទងនឹង credibility បាទតាក់ទងទៅជាមួយនឹងបុគ្គលល្បាញល្បីបាទអ្នកគ្នាកុំទៅជឿអី 100% ពេកអ្នកគ្នាត្រូវមានការពារហានិភ័យផងដែរបាទហ្នឹងហើយដើម្បី protect fund ផងអ្នកគ្នាដើម្បីការពារលុយការពារផងអ្នកគ្នាកុំឲ្យចាញ់បោកគេហ្នឹងហើយអូខេវីដេអូនេះគឺមកដល់ទីបញ្ចប់យើងនឹងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូល្អៗក្រោយៗទៀតបាទបាយបាយ